Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change currency on the Emirates web app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your browser and visit the Emirates official website at emirates.com. And once you get that, follow the on-screen prompt to sign up if you're new to Emirates or to log in using an existing credential. Now, once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home screen, which we have in here. Now on the home screen, go ahead and locate the globe icon, which is in the top right corner of the screen. So just go ahead, it's of course next to the search icon, the profile icon. Now click on that, and once you click on that, you see that it's going to open a drop down menu with different country preferences. Just we have this different countries, we have the territories. If you scroll the way down, you see a wide array of countries, and of course there are languages. Now for you to change the currency, you just go ahead and click on the country name of the currency that you want to change it to. Now once you select a country, the currency associated with that country will automatically update. That's it. Now you can scroll. If scrolling down is going to be too much hassle for you, you can just use the search bar to locate your desired country. Now once you select the country, which I said earlier, the currency associated with that country will automatically update. So all you need to do is to review the updated currency displayed on the website, which is typically shown in the fair prices. Then verify the currency change. How do you do that? Navigate the any booking of fare related section. All right, for example, search flight to confirm the prices, or to confirm that the prices are now displayed in your selected currency. If prompted, which is definitely optional, you can choose to save the selected country and currency preferences for future visits by enabling cookies or clicking save preferences. And that way you have successfully changed the currency on the Emirates web app. Now you can go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you begin to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.